What's up, guys? Will Novak, Magnolia LSAT, NOLA LSAT Tutors. The name of this video, 2 things you need to know before you even think about your personal statement for law school. All right, number 1, I want to begin with a story. My closest friend in the entire universe, his name is Scruff. Scruff became a father a few years ago. And when he found out his wife was pregnant, he threw himself into learning everything he possibly could about the pregnancy. This man became a pregnancy expert overnight. He was the best partner to a pregnant person that has ever existed. And you know what else he did? While he was becoming a master of pregnancy, he didn't do any research at all on how to be a father once the child is born. So when they actually had their beautiful, healthy daughter, he was totally clueless and had no idea what to do. That is a true story, and the reason I'm telling you is because in my mind, it is a thing about putting all of your energy into not the best thing. I mean, of course, there's nothing wrong with like learning about how to be a supportive partner during a pregnancy, but at the end of the day, I think we can recognize that, like, if you're only going to learn one, learning what to do once the baby is born is probably more important. And the reason I say that is because so often I am contacted by people who want to put everything into their personal statement when they are screwing up a couple of things that are more important. Number 1, your LSAT score needs to be as high as you could get it. It's just more, okay, it doesn't always need to be as high as you get it, but your LSAT is way more important than your personal statement. There are so many people who they make up their minds that they cannot get their LSAT score any higher. They give up on the LSAT, and then they want to, like, try to get it back with the personal statement. That is a bad idea. The correct way to do it is to focus on the LSAT. It is more important than the personal statement. The second way people totally screw up is they do all of this work to have a great LSAT, great personal statement, and they are applying way too late in the cycle. Guys, you are much better off having an average application at a normal time in the cycle than having a great application really late in the cycle. How late is too late depends on where you are applying. Sometimes the internet can actually freak people out. They think they need to have all their applications in by October, which is not true for schools outside the top 20. So sometimes you worry about it too much. But every year I'm dealing with people who apply in March and April and May, and that is just the worst idea in the world. Don't do that to yourself. Okay, the second thing you want to know before writing a personal statement, read the instructions. Every law school has different instructions, and most of them are pretty open-ended and you can write about whatever you want, but some of them are looking for something a little bit more specific, a little bit more different. So make sure you read the instructions of the law schools that you really care about. Okay, that's all. If you want to get in touch with me, you can email me at nolalsat1@gmail.com and go to the website, whatever. Have whatever kind of day you want to have. Goodbye.